Have you ever wondered about the nature of our existence and the power of consciousness? This question sets us on a fascinating journey to explore the quantum law of existence. This law is not a new concept, but rather a scientific theory deeply rooted in ancient wisdom. It's the compelling idea that our consciousness, our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs have the power to transform the universe around us. Our exploration begins with the groundbreaking work of Sir Isaac Newton. His laws revolutionized our understanding of the universe, asserting that it operates according to a set of fixed laws and principles. Laws such as gravity, momentum, and thermodynamics govern the physical world. According to Newton, the universe is not a chaotic jumble, but a well-ordered machine, ticking away with precision and predictability. But Newton's laws were only the beginning. As our knowledge expanded and our understanding deepened, we began to realize that the universe is not only composed of physical entities, but also non-physical ones. This realization gave birth to a new branch of science, one that transcends the physical realm and delves into the deeper, more complex layers of the universe. Quantum physics. Quantum physics proposes that everything, every person, every object, every thought has a multi-dimensional nature. We perceive the physical forms, but beyond that lies a deeper, spiritual and vibrational existence. This is not a new idea. It harks back to ancient practices and philosophies where physical manifestations were seen as mere reflections of a deeper spiritual essence, which could be shaped and molded through the understanding and application of spiritual existence. This ancient wisdom, encapsulated in the phrase, "as above, so below, as within, so without," proposed by Hermes Trismegistus, speaks to the interconnectedness of dimensions and levels of existence. It's akin to a holographic matrix that mirrors and reflects our inner reality into our outer physical reality, and vice versa. The level of consciousness of a person plays a crucial role in this process. The more conscious you are, the more you understand. And the more you understand, the more you can influence your reality. And yet, as our knowledge expanded, we discovered that the universe wasn't only made of physical entities. Welcome to the quantum realm, where we transcend the physical and delve into a deeper understanding of the universe. Quantum physics is the prodigal child of science, breaking away from the established laws of physics and venturing into the uncharted territories of the non-physical. It's a field that asks more questions than it answers, and in doing so, propels us towards an understanding that's beyond our conventional perception of reality. In this realm, everything has a multidimensional nature. What we see, touch, taste, hear, and smell are merely the physical manifestations of a deeper reality. But beyond these physical forms, there lies an existence that's spiritual and vibrational. It's like peeling an onion, removing layer after layer, only to discover more layers underneath. This is the journey of quantum physics, a journey towards the core of existence. But what is this core? It's a realm where matter and energy intertwine, where particles can exist in two places at once, and where time and space lose their meaning. It's a place that's both tangible and intangible, physical and non-physical, a place that's governed not by laws, but by probabilities. This realm is not a new discovery, but a rediscovery of ancient wisdom. Centuries ago, practitioners of Eastern philosophies understood the multidimensional nature of existence. They knew that the physical manifestations of things were but reflections of their spiritual nature. They believed that with the right understanding and application of their spiritual existence, they could mold the physical world around them. The quantum realm is also the birthplace of the concept of interconnectedness. It's the idea that everything in the universe is connected, that the smallest particle in your body is linked to the farthest star in the cosmos. This interconnectedness is not just physical, but also spiritual and vibrational. As the ancient philosopher Hermes Trismegistus once said, "As above, so below, as within, so without." This ancient philosophy proposes the interconnectedness of dimensions and existence levels. It's a concept that takes us beyond the boundaries of our perception, beyond the confines of our understanding, and into the limitless expanse of the quantum realm. Did you know that the level of consciousness of a person plays a significant role in shaping their reality? The canvas of our existence is painted with the vibrant colors of our thoughts and consciousness. They are the invisible hands that shape the clay of our reality, molding our world into the form and function that mirrors our deepest beliefs and perceptions. Our consciousness is not just a passive observer of reality, but an active creator. It's like a master artist who, with every stroke of thought, brings to life a unique masterpiece of reality. Every thought we have, every emotion we feel, every belief we hold is a brushstroke on the canvas of our existence. This is not a metaphorical concept, but a practical one. Our consciousness, the sum total of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, is the source of our destiny. It shapes not only our personal reality, but also the collective reality we all share. Our thoughts are the seeds from which the tree of our destiny grows. The deeper our thoughts about something, the more conscious we become about it. And the more conscious we are, the more we can influence our reality. Think of your consciousness as a powerful magnet. It attracts into your life the experiences, people, and circumstances that resonate with the frequency of your thoughts. If you think positive, empowering thoughts, you attract positive, empowering experiences. Similarly, if you dwell on negative, disempowering thoughts, you attract negative, disempowering experiences. But consciousness isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about understanding the true nature of reality and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with this understanding. Every moment, we're making conscious and unconscious choices that shape our destiny. We are not just passive spectators in the theater of life, but active participants in the drama of existence. This is where the concept of quantum physics comes in. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs don't just exist in our minds, but in the quantum field that permeates all of existence. They influence not just our personal reality, but the collective reality we all share. Our thoughts are analyzed and studied under the term quantum physics. Ever heard of the multiverse? It's the endless patterns of our perceptions and understanding. Ponder this for a moment. Every decision you make, every thought you have, spins off a new, parallel universe. It's an idea that stirs the imagination and challenges our understanding of reality. This concept was proposed by Neville Goddard, a modern-day psychologist who offered a fresh perspective on our understanding of reality. According to Neville, our understanding of our three-dimensional reality originates from the fourth dimension. This fourth dimension is a realm of infinite possibilities, a realm where every thought, every possibility already exists. Imagine a book. In 3 dimensions, you can turn the pages one by one. You experience the story in a linear fashion. But in the 4th dimension, all the pages exist simultaneously. You can see the beginning, the middle, and the end all at once. It's the same with our lives. We experience them in a linear 3-dimensional way, but from a higher 4th dimensional perspective, all possibilities exist at once. In this 4th dimension, every choice you could make, every path you could take, is already laid out. It's like an infinite web of roads. Each road represents a different life you could live, a different version of you. And you, in this moment, are standing at the crossroads, the intersection of these infinite possibilities. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Neville suggested that we, as conscious beings, have the power to choose our reality. By shifting our consciousness, by deliberately choosing our thoughts and feelings, we can navigate this multidimensional web. We can tune into different versions of reality, like tuning into different radio stations. This is the concept of the multiverse, the idea that there are endless patterns, endless possibilities, born from our perceptions and understanding. It's a concept that expands our understanding of what is possible and challenges us to consider that we are far more powerful than we have been led to believe. This concept opens up a multitude of possibilities where we discover profound truths about our life. So, next time you're faced with a decision, remember, you're not just choosing a path, you're choosing a universe. Now let's delve into the quantum field, a realm beyond the boundaries of time and space. This is a realm where our physical senses cease to be the guiding forces and where logic and reason take a back seat. Here, the renowned scholar Dr. Joe Dispenza proposes a fascinating perspective. Dr. Dispenza suggests that the quantum field is indifferent to our conventional notions of logic and reason. It's an arena where the usual rules of physics that we are familiar with don't apply. In this quantum field, everything exists as vibrational energy. It's a concept that might be a bit challenging to grasp initially, but think of it this way. The essence of everything we perceive in the physical world, From the grandeur of mountains to the simplicity of a grain of sand, they all exist in this field as vibrational energy. The quantum field does not discriminate between what's a thought and what's matter. To it, everything is energy. It's a field of potentialities, where every possibility exists simultaneously. But how can we tap into this vibrational energy? How can we bring this energy into our physical existence? Well, the secret lies within us. We have the power to tune into this quantum field and bring its energy into our physical world. It's like tuning a radio to match the frequency of a particular station. When we match our vibrational frequency to that of our desires, a powerful phenomenon occurs. Our desires begin to coincide with the energy of the quantum field. They begin to resonate with each other. And this resonance, this alignment of frequencies, is what results in the manifestation of our desires in our physical reality. So, in essence, the key to influencing our reality lies in our ability to align our vibrational frequency with that of our desires. It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation, a journey where we become the creators of our reality. When we generate the frequency of our desires, they begin to coincide with the energy of the quantum field, resulting in the fulfillment of our desires in physical reality.